turkey. And there's the two. And the other one is there. Turkey. Uh-oh. Isn't that cute? Ayan, so cute, the turkey. Alright, there. Sayang lang hindi ako nakakuha ng ibang dala ng ibang camera. Ayan. Ang ganda ng turkey. Here's the turkey. Other one. Mm. Mm.
And then I saw another one that was like, my beautiful daughter.
Mm.
Yeah. So much today.
Morning. It's so cute.
Little baby.
Ayan. Nandoon pala ang malaki, guys. Oh. Nandoon pala ang malaki. 5 pala sila, 5. And there's still 4 of them here. So all of them are 8. So there are 4 over there and there are 4 over here too. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 of them. So 8 overall. There are 8 overall. Turkey. Good morning. So, ang dami ng turkey. 8 pala sila. Wala pala, 8 pala ang turkey. So, squirrel and turkeys. Ang daming turkeys. Ayan, malapit na tayo, guys. Mga 20 minutes na lang. Thank you sa inyo. Sisi, gorgeous. Thank you, ha, sa pagbabad. Thank you sa pagbabad today, Sisi. Really appreciate. Ayan, daming turkey. 8 pala sila. 8 ang turkey. Tapos uy, magluto pa ako. Gutom na ako. Magluto pa ako. But I'm already hungry. Hungry. I need to cook my rice. The food is the meal. Yung ulam, hindi na. Kasi iinitin ko lang yun. Ayan. Ay. Pero at least may masarap akong ulam. Sinigang. Sinigang. Ayan. Salamat, guys. Uy, naka 6 thumbs up na. May music kasi si Sir. Ayan, guys. Imbi Smart, salamat. Ayan, look at the birds again. Thank you. Ayan, the bird. Okay. Birds is there. Very cute. Kumakain siya. Ayan. So, the bird is cutie. Ayan, kumakain siya, di ba? Mhm.